Hey y'all, wake up, man. It's called a Barber. So I want to talk to y'all about this one major key in order for your barber suite to be successful. There's one major thing that you need to master, and you probably want to make sure you have this skill before you even move to a barber suite. And if you're already inside of a suite, if you already took that leap, I want you to hone in on this specific skill, right? This skill is the ability to retain clients. You learn your ability to retain clients when you work inside of a barbershop before you even move to a suite, right? Or even when you're in barber college, right? And I would never suggest someone to come straight out of barber college straight into a suite, right? It's possible, but I wouldn't suggest it. But if you can't retain clients, then you probably don't want to go ahead and jump to a suite, because ain't no walk-up traffic, right? Especially if you're not marketing and promoting on social media. But if you can retain clients and connect clients, right, to you and your brand, and you know how to retain people, and you'll have success inside of a barber suite, because ain't nobody coming through the door no more. See what I'm saying? This ain't nothing people ride by and they like, oh shit, it's a barbershop, let me pull up, right? And when you work inside of a barber suite, you most likely want to do appointments, right? See what I'm saying? If you cannot retain clients, you will not be successful. I see barber suites close all the time. See what I'm saying? Stylists as well. They close them all the time because they try to go jump into a suite because you want to run your own business, you want to do your own thing, but you got to understand, you got to have the clientele, right? You may even be good at what you do. You maybe can get a lot of people in the chair, but can you retain them? If you don't have a certain set of clients before you move into a suite, and I'm talking about this specific set of clients, is like they are you know that they're going to be punctual, right? They're going to pay, you know, and they pretty much locked in. And you was the reason that these people are locked in, right? If you have this specific set of clients, you can move to a suite because they are a source of income. It's almost like residual income, almost, right? Because anything can happen to people, anything. But when you feel yourself having a nice roster of clientele that's willing to pay the price that you charge, and you know you make a certain amount per week, per month, per year off of these specific people, and you can check on apps and see exactly how much each person spend with you per year. See what I'm saying? That's if you run your business through a booking app that show you all the insights, right? If you have a valuable roster of clients that spend money with you consistently, you have the ability to retain clients. Then you can operate out of a suite, and you can know what you gonna pay for a barber suite. You're gonna know exactly how much you could afford inside of a barber suite, because you pretty much make the same amount every week, every month, every year, right? And this is with your prices at the same price point that they at right now. You know, of course, when you get in a suite, you might want to raise them up, because suites cost a little more than booth rent, actually a lot more than booth rent. But your ability to retain clients is going to be the key to you keeping your suite open. A lot of barbers, a lot of stylists, estheticians, all that, they open these suites, like I said. But they think because you took a leap and you jumped out of your own suite and you weren't pushing your own brand and shit, that people just gonna start choosing you. You may be excited, but the people that you want to serve are not excited, right? They don't know that you just took a leap on faith to open your business. They don't know you just dove all the way headfirst into entrepreneurship, and they don't care. They just come for their service, right? And if you can't retain those people, you gonna have this business, but who the hell are you gonna serve? See what I'm saying? But your number one key is the ability to retain clients. Be very intentional on retaining clients. Pay attention, ask questions, set your environment up, you know, be able to reel people in and lock in clients. Focus on that skill. If you haven't moved to a barber suite, hone that skill now while you're in the shop, and you'll see it get better over time. And if you're already in the suite, Everybody come through that door, try your best to retain them. I ain't say beg them, because you know I ain't into begging clients. I ain't saying beg them. I ain't saying kiss no ass, none of that. What I'm saying is focus on your ability to retain clients. You run a business. Your source of income is dependent on the clients you serve. Make sure you're retaining these clients so they can come back. Make sure they trust you, trust your brand, and trust that you're gonna be on time and you're gonna be there and you're gonna serve them and give them what they need. You see what I'm saying? But focus on your specific ability to retain clients. It may be different between barbers because we all have different brands with different meanings and we pushing different things. But be able to retain the clients, the type that you want to serve and the type that's gonna pay your price, man. So focus on that. You know, I see barber suites close all the time, stylists, locticians, all that. I see them close all the time. And I know if they knew this, they probably would still be open. But focus on your ability to retain clients. Y'all like the video, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, wake y'all asses up.